My name is Molly Kellgren, Health Science Education Product Manager here at RealityWorks. Today, we will be completing a demonstration of our award-winning auscultation trainer. The auscultation trainer comes with the following components: the auscultation trainer torso, a skin overlay, a smart device with a preloaded app, a RialitiSkоуп, and a storage case for everything. It also comes with a 1-year limited warranty and an online curriculum. There are two main purposes for the auscultation trainer. First is for students to learn correct stethoscope placement when assessing heart, lung, and bowel sounds. The second is to learn to identify and name normal and abnormal sounds. So let's take a look at the torso. Without the skin overlay, the torso is perfect for teaching your beginning students about correct stethoscope placement. You can see the heart, lungs, and bowel sounds on both the front and the back of the torso. So they're able to see the underlying anatomical features that inform them where and where not to place their stethoscope. There are many aha moments when they begin to connect the sounds that they're hearing and understanding what part of the body it's coming from. The skin overlay is the next step as your students advance in their knowledge and confidence. They're able to palpate bony landmarks to ensure correct placement, just like they will on real patients. The auscultation trainer comes with a RialitiSkоуп and a smart device also. The RialitiSkоуп is a Bluetooth attachment that fits on any stethoscope that you already have. There's a power button. There's an audio boost button if you'd like to make the sounds louder, and a Bluetooth connection that links the RialitiSkоуп with the provided tablet. Let's take a closer look at that tablet. There is a practice mode and an assessment mode. There are a couple of different ways to use the practice mode. The first is just with the tablet. Students are presented with some instructions. Students are presented with a series of cards on the screen that are available to listen to. Tap Open List to see the list of sites and conditions. The student can tap these, read a description of the condition. They can tap Location, and this points out the correct stethoscope placement to hear that sound. Practicing this way really focuses the students on connections between identifying the sounds they're hearing with the locations on the body. The second way is to attach the RialitiSkоуп to any stethoscope by just sliding it over the bell. And you can listen to the sounds right on the torso itself. This type of practice is adding in the correct stethoscope placement to hear the sounds. The torso and RialitiSkоуп are created so that the sounds will not be audible to the student if the stethoscope is not in the correct place on the torso. For an added challenge, apply the skin overlay to the torso. This adds realism to the practice session. Let's talk about assessment mode now. Again, you can choose to assess with the skin overlay on the torso, or you can remove it. Students are presented with a card on the tablet screen. They must listen to the torso, identify the sounds they're hearing, and record them on a piece of paper or however you wish. Then they swipe to the right to move on to the next card. So how do instructors control which sounds the students are practicing or being assessed on? By using the admin menu. When you first turn the tablet on, tap the RealityWorks logo and you'll be taken to the admin menu. Your screen will turn from red to blue. Use the 3-lined icon at the top to access the menu elements. Sites and Conditions allows you, as the instructor, to choose which of the 21 conditions you would like to allow the students to both practice and be assessed on. So if you're choosing to only focus on lung sounds, for example, you can use this admin menu to select those and unselect the heart and bowel sounds that would be available for students to hear. You can add on additional sounds as your students progress until they are ready to assess all 3 body systems. To remove particular sounds from your list, simply press the checkbox and it will be removed from the available sounds for the students to listen to. Return to the admin menu and select Exit Admin Mode to return to the student view. The included curriculum is composed of teacher presentation slides, student activities, and pre- and post-assessments. All totaled, it comes to 1 to 2 teaching hours of material. This concludes our demonstration of the RealityWorks Auscultation Trainer.